Hello guys, this is tutorial stream, and in this video you will learn how you can create a new task in the OneTask application. So let us begin. Alright guys, so launch the OneTask app on your device like your desktop computer or laptop. And what you want to do next is select your account. On the left hand side I will go with this associated Google account here. So what you want to do next is either create a new task list by clicking into this button here, or you can add tasks to your already existing task lists. I will go with this example task list here. Here to the right, click into this button, give your task a name like, I don't know, go to gym or something like that. Click into this plus button to the right, and now you can customize it. For instance, you can assign a task list. Well, we have already selected one here to the left, and then you can also describe it here, set the due date, and in the final step, let me just select the due date like Tuesday, May 19th, describe it here, and then save the given task here in the top right. You may also view it here in the top, and then the given task will be added to your list so that you may navigate to it through that list here to the left, or go through the calendar here today, next days, and you will see the list of tasks that are either overdue or for the next days scheduled. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.